How to be a successful network marketer. Number 1 is choose the right company. So in choosing the right company, you have to make sure na visible ang may-ari, legal ang business, kompleto ng papel, may tangible products, at stable ang company. Number 2 is be a professional. Huwag mo i-invite yung ex mo, kunwari makikipagkita ka, tapos dadalhin mo sa seminar. Huwag kang mag-i-invite na akala nila hiring. No. Sabihin mo agad sa kausap mo na business ang pag-uusapan, na network marketing ang pag-uusapan. Number 3 is integrity. Huwag na huwag kang manloloko ng tao at tumupad ka sa napag-usapan. Number 4 is build a team. Network marketing is not about money. It's not about payaman, power. It is about building a team and building leaders. You have to focus on building relationship with your team. Number 5 is focus on helping other people. This is not about magkano ang kinita mo. This is about ilan yung taong natulungan mo na kumita. Kailangan mong tulungan yung mga taong nagtiwala sa'yo. Nag-invest sila ng pera at tiwala, make sure na tulungan mo silang kumita. Number 6 is respect. Kung ayaw sumali, irespeto mo. Huwag mong basagin yung ginagawa niya. The problem with some of you guys is, employed ka, hindi ka yayaman dyan. Please, don't do that. Kasi halimbawa, teacher ang kausap mo. Yes, maliit ang income nila ngayon. Pero, baka mahal kasi nila yung pagtuturo. Guys, respect. Kung ayaw sumali, huwag pilitin. And number 7, know your why. You have to have a purpose. In my case, galing kasi ako sa hirap. Tapos yung nanay ko, single mom. So sobrang motivated talaga ako kumita. It's because I wanna help my family. And in the process of doing that, maraming taong nagtiwala sa akin. Naging purpose ko na rin yung tulungan yung mga taong nagtiwala sa akin. Kaya habang tumatagal, mas lumalim yung dahilan ko. Sobrang hirap nitong gawin. But believe me, it's worth it.